Hi everyone, this is a video about this Manfrotto compact light tripod with a ball head that you see is taken apart here for you because this part is the weak point of this tripod. First I show you the link on eBay to show you how much it is and why it's not really good. This is the tripod. The price is $39.99 and price varies in different parts. It goes up to £50, and this is the tripod. Is very compact, is portable and very light. And this is the ball head that you see is in here, disattached from this center shaft, and from the ball head below everything is of reasonable quality, but this ball head is letting it down, and let me tell you why is letting this tripod down. First of all, I thought I make this video to show everyone that Manfrotto is a good brand, but not all of its product is of good quality, and this ball head is the weak point on this tripod, and I show you why. There are two weak points. One is this 1/4 inch screw that you connect your valuable camera to this, and because this pin is press fitted in here, if you tighten it too far, this is in center of here, if you tighten your camera, your whatever that you're connecting here, at the end is going to pull this out of this joint, and then it renders your ball head useless, because without this everything it goes pear shape. So this is the first negative point about this. And then the second point is the ball here, that there is a brass screw here, and then you tighten your ball joint with this, and when you turn this too far in, is going to also turn this further in, and by doing so you are going to rip all the threads inside. I show you all of it is ripped, and if you look at it, there are no threads left in there at all. So this is the second part. And the third negative point about this tripod is this ball head is fixed in place in here via this, and this is somehow is in place here, and with this pin is, if when you pull this pin out, this part is coming out, and when it's coming out, with the aid of this Allen screw is attached to the ball head, complete ball head. And I reassemble this to show you how I took it apart. This is, just imagine that everything is in the center of here, and then this ball is going inside there, and then with the aid of this star shape screw is attached to here from the center of the ball, attached to here, and then this holding place of the ball is going in there, and then this locking mechanism is going in here, and there is a pin behind the logo there. You push this pin out in order to take it out, and push it in order to hold everything together, and then everything is screwed via that Allen screw to here, and then everything goes to the shaft in the center. So this was a video about this Manfrotto compact light tripod, and I thought, okay, I cannot use this, but if I take it apart I can use my own substantial metal ball head on top of here and eventually on top of here, and then use this tripod. I bought this tripod off eBay, and the seller told me that this tripod is in excellent condition, but he had glued this in place so badly that I couldn't even turn this. And when I further investigated this, I realized why he had glued it in. Anyhow, this tripod is not recommended at all. So thanks for your watching, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.